New car choices are built out of childhood dreams. For many, what's under the hood is more important than what's above it. For others, luxury and style dominate their choices more than fuel efficiency. But for all, there is something alluring about the color red. There is something sensual about the color red. And yet, there is something completely dangerous about that color in cars. Welcome to Redline, the program that gives you advice, features, and stats on all new cars, especially if they're red ones.
Today on Redline, we feature the stats and the growl of the quadruple exhaust on Chevrolet's Camaro Z06 2023. From the honeycomb grille to her quadruple exhaust pipe tips, to the sport ride of her 21-inch forged aluminum wheels, the Z06 for the new year has hand-wrapped leather interior options that grip you in your seat with Z06 haunting Ferrari growling sounds of a 5.5-liter monster V8 engine. This mid-engine red racer from Chevrolet was designed for the track to be sold for the street. The Corvette Z06 was born in 1963 as an optional special equipment package intended for racers. It included a stiffer suspension, heavy-duty brakes, a thicker front stabilizer bar, and a large 36-gallon tank that reduced the number of necessary pit stops and longer races. It sported a fuel-injected 5.4-liter engine and a close ratio 4-speed manual transmission, which were required by racers with the package. Whether you're interested in riding hood up or stowed down in 12 seconds, the Camaro Z06 has something to excite you. On the road or on the track, the wider fenders help accommodate the new 21-inch wheel and tires for the grip. For better airflow, larger vents have been added, including a new front fascia that, like the original C8R race car, draws clean air into the center heat exchanger. This provides for more cooling air to the engine, brakes, and transaxle for increased track capability. Additionally, a more aggressive aerodynamic package is designed to enhance cornering, grip, and high-speed stability. Designers pulled out the fenders in front and rear to cover the wider tire tread, which are 30mm front and 40mm rear, wider than the Corvette Stingray. These extensions give the Corvette Z06 a wider, lower appearance, further emphasized by a unique rear fascia that also features center floating exhaust bezels. This floating design was key to the precise tuning in the exhaust note. The wider rear fender also allows for larger air intake required for the car's cooling. What about raw power though? Behind Z06's awesome power is its 5.5-liter naturally aspirated 670 horsepower V8 engine, which screams to 8,500 RPM and produces 460 pound-feet of torque. Z06 will reportedly sport a brand new logic center. The V8 is connected to an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission rear-wheel drive. Performance is explosive at 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds and effortlessly coasted through a quarter mile in 10.5 seconds at an alarming 131 miles per hour. The Z6 sports a 9-speaker Bose audio system and a 10-speaker Bose centerpoint system that added a subwoofer. The passenger cabin is appointed as well for comfort but does not have access to any of the driver's buttons, knobs, or gadgets. There isn't a trunk to speak of, but Chevrolet had enough room to add a golf club storage bin. Once the roof and bin are closed, onlookers will get a view of the vehicle's top equivalent to the old Speed Racer cartoon. Go Speed Racer, go! And man, does this car go. Almost every exterior detail unique to the Z06 serves a purpose for aerodynamics, handling, or cooling, with style cues that accentuate the car's sense of motion. There's a driver's mode for launch control, which is available in track mode for maximum offline acceleration. Z06 features a front splitter and a unique spoiler, which includes an unstable fixed wicker ball, a small vertical tab at the edge of the spoiler that significantly increases downforce, providing 365 pounds more at 186 miles per hour. An available carbon fiber aero package adds a larger front splitter, front corner canards, a pedestal-mounted rear wing, and underbody aero straights for the maximum track-capable downforce and maneuverability. For Redline, this is Charles. We hope to see you again next time.
First quarter, the next 25 to 1.